Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic learning curve, we'll be now seeing or solving some of the comprehensive numerical problems. This is the first one. A tool manufacturing company wants to sell 49 units to a consumer. Calculate the minimum learning rate if the 49th unit cannot take more than 5.6 hours, given first unit takes 16 hours. So first of all, given first unit takes 16 hours, which means our A is 16 hours. Then it also says that 49th unit cannot take more than 5.6 hours. So our Y is 5.6 hours. And then our X is 49 units. We need to find out minimum learning rate. And for that, we need to find out the learning index. Now the formula is Y is equal to A x to the power of B. That is 5.6 is equal to 1649 to the power of B. Or we can say 5.6 divided by 16 is 49 to the power of B. 5.6 divided by 16, if we calculate, we get 0.35. Now taking logarithm on both sides, we will have logarithm of 0.35 is equal to B logarithm of 49. Now, B is nothing but logarithm of learning percentage divided by logarithm of 2, which is logarithm of learning percentage divided by 0.301. We know logarithm of 2 to the base 10 is 0.301. So here we will write logarithm of 0.35. I'll bring that logarithm of 49 this side. It will go to the denominator, is equal to B. B is logarithm of learning percentage divided by 0.301. Now we need to find two logarithms. One is logarithm of 35, one is logarithm of 49. First, to find logarithm of 0.35 using regular calculator. So first we will have to type in our regular calculator 0.35. Then enter square root this symbol 12 times. So when we do that, we get a result 0.99744. Then we need to subtract 1. When we do that, we get negative 0.000256. Then with this, we will be multiplying 4096. We will get the result minus 1.04969. This is nothing but logarithm of 0.35 to the base E. To the base E. But we are interested in logarithm of 0.35 to the base 10, which is logarithm of 0.35 to the base E divided by a constant 2.3026. So substituting this value, what we already found, we get this. Again, if we evaluate this, we will end up with minus 0.4559. This is logarithm of 0.35 to the base 10. Next, we have to find logarithm of 49 to the base 10. This is to the base 10 again. Same procedure. First we have to type 49 in our regular calculator. Then root symbol 12 times. When we do that, we get a result 1.00095. Subtract that with 1, we get 0.00095. Multiply it by 4096. We will land up with a value 3.8937, which is logarithm of 49 to the base e. Now, logarithm of 49 to the base 10 will be the value what we got, that is 3.8937 divided by the constant number 2.3026. We will get 1.691. So therefore, we will go back to this. We can say from here, we can say logarithm of learning percentage will be 0.301 multiplied by logarithm of 0.35 divided by logarithm of 49. So we will apply that now to find out what is logarithm of learning percentage. Therefore, logarithm of learning percentage is equal to 0.301 multiplied by negative 0.4559 divided by 1.691. If we calculate, we will get minus 0.08115, which means learning percentage will be anti-log of negative 0.08115. Now we need to find the anti-log. Using a regular calculator. First, type this number in the regular calculator. So I'll say type this and then divide by 227695. Whatever you get result, add that with 1. You get finally 0.9999996. Then type this multiply equal to 19 times. You get a result 0.83, which is nothing but 83%. So our anti-log is 0.83. Therefore, the minimum learning percentage is 83%. So that is the solution of this particular question.